Hey there, it's Johnny the Electrician and Arcade Guy. My arcade needed some serious lighting help. I had one of those sad, dusty old bulbs that was just barely hanging in there. Not fun, not cool, not great for gaming or parties. I talked to the team at Torchstar, great folks by the way, and they sent me this smart ceiling light in exchange for an honest review. Now, I ended up hanging it a little differently than what you're going to see in the instructions, so let me give you a little step by step on how I did it. And just so you know, I only keep the stuff that actually works and gets me excited, so this is either going in my ceiling or back in the box it came out of. But first, here's what the game room looked like. Basic bulb, low vibes, not exactly ready for a party. I needed something with more pop and color and control, and this ceiling panel looked like it would fit in perfect. Inside the box, you're going to get the LED panels, mounting brackets, drywall anchors, wire nuts, and remote. I also picked up a junction box and used some aircraft cable I already had to hang it a little lower, keeping that raw, unfinished industrial vibe I've got going. Now, technically, this is designed to be a flush mount fixture, but since my ceiling's unfinished, I suspended it with aircraft wire to drop it down a bit. This let me center it where I wanted to, and it was clear of the other lighting, and I popped my level up on it and leveled it out with U-bolt style clips. I came out of my existing light fixture with 14.2 Romex, so I could still use the switch I've been using this whole time. Always shut the power off first, then it's just black to black, white to white, ground to ground, mount the junction box, hook up the safety cables, make your final connections, and slide the panel into place, and you're done. I went ahead and flipped it on, and I gotta say, I was floored. You can control it with the app or the remote, shift from warm to cool white, cycle through literally millions of colors, and yeah, it works just as well for everyday lighting as it does for party mode. Now the arcade actually feels like an arcade. Neon, fog, lasers, retro cabinets, and a ceiling light that actually fits the scene. Whether I'm working, filming, or just vibing with my friends, I can dial it in for the perfect look in seconds. If you want a ceiling light that's fun and functional, this one's definitely worth your time, and I'm definitely keeping mine.